Welcome to English Talk Nova. You're not alone on this journey. We're always here with you.
Hey, you're doing amazing. Every step counts, and we're right beside you. Keep shining, keep learning. Let's make this journey fun.
Taylor, can I ask you something? You look very calm today. Like, suspiciously calm.
Suspiciously calm? That sounds dangerous.
Yeah, like the calm before a storm.
Or the calm after I almost gave up on everything this morning.
Wait, everything?
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is a place for real English, real feelings, and real life.
I'm Jimmy.
And I'm Taylor, and today's episode is called Don't Give Up on Yourself.
Okay, let's slow down. You said you almost gave up this morning. What happened?
You know those mornings. You wake up, you look at your life, your to-do list, your goals, and your brain just says, no, I quit.
Like your brain hands you a resignation letter?
Exactly. Dear human, I'm tired. Please find a new brain.
Yeah, I know that letter very well.
And it's not always about big things. Sometimes it's small stuff. English, the gym, daily habits.
Right. You study one hard grammar rule and suddenly think, that's it, I'm done. I'm breaking up with English.
Yes. One confusing sentence, one bad day, and you want to throw your book out the window.
But if someone is listening right now, that means something important.
It means you didn't give up. Not yet.
You're still here, still listening, still trying.
And that's why today we want to talk about this feeling. The moment when you want to quit, but something inside you hasn't left yet.
Taylor, can I be honest? Sometimes the phrase never give up feels a little scary.
Scary how?
It sounds like never rest, never slow down, never feel tired, just work like a machine.
Yeah, that toxic hustle idea.
If you stop for one day, people say you're lazy.
But that's not what we mean here. Not on our channel.
So what do we mean?
We mean something quieter, softer. There's a word for it in English. Perseverance.
Perseverance.
It means you keep going for a long time. Not fast, not perfect. You just keep coming back.
Even when you feel tired?
Especially then.
That reminds me of another word, resilience.
Yes. Resilience is like a tree in the wind. It bends, but it doesn't break.
Life pushes you, but you still stand again.
So, never give up doesn't mean never rest. It doesn't mean never cry. It means you don't throw your dream away just because this week was hard.
You said earlier you almost gave up today. Have you ever really felt like quitting before?
Yes, very clearly. I had what I call my English meltdown.
That already sounds serious.
I was watching an English video. Everyone said it was easy, simple, but I couldn't understand anything. Not one full sentence.
That feeling where the video is English, but your brain hears noise?
Exactly. And then I got my test results back. They were terrible.
Double pain.
That day, I felt like I hit rock bottom. No motivation, no confidence. I thought, maybe I'm just not good at languages.
So you really wanted to quit?
Yes, I wanted to delete my notes, close my book, and stop.
What did you do?
First, nothing. I rested. I cried. I watched silly videos in my own language.
You didn't pretend to be okay.
No, but after a few days, I asked myself one question. Do I really want to give up on myself?
And?
The answer was no. So I didn't push harder. I pushed gently.
Small steps.
10 minutes a day. One short podcast. Sometimes the same one again and again.
That's real perseverance.
Slowly, I bounced back. English wasn't easy, but I saw a small light at the end of the tunnel. Let's get practical. Our first tip is simple. Make the battle smaller.
When life feels like an uphill battle, we often try to climb the whole mountain in one day.
And then we feel tired before we even take the first step.
It's like looking at a very messy room and saying, I must clean everything right now.
That's when you lie on the floor and do nothing.
Exactly. But if you say, I'll just clean this one table, it feels possible.
With English, that one table can be 10 minutes, one page, or one short audio.
If you do more, great. If you only do 10 minutes, you still won. The second tip is about something inside your head.
Yes, the story you tell yourself.
Many learners say, I'm bad at this. I'll never be fluent.
And that story slowly kills your resilience.
It's like sad music playing in the background. Even good moments feel heavy.
So we change the sentences, not with lies, with kinder truth.
This is a setback, not the end. I'm on the right track, just moving slowly.
Or, I can bounce back from this.
Those sentences are like a soft hand on your own shoulder.
The third tip is very important. Don't fight alone.
When you struggle, your brain says, no one understands.
That voice is lying.
There are many people who feel the same way.
A friend, a teacher, a study partner, an online community.
Sometimes one sentence like, I believe in you, can carry you for a whole week. There's something important we need to say.
Changing your plan does not mean you failed.
Let's say your dream is strong English. That's the mountain.
But maybe your plan was too heavy. 3 hours every night, after work, after life.
You get exhausted. You stop. Then you feel guilty.
The problem wasn't the dream. The problem was the plan.
If your shoes hurt on a long walk, you don't stop walking forever. You change the shoes.
Same dream, different path.
So, never give up doesn't mean never change. It means you still care about your life and your growth.
Before we finish, let's take a quiet walk through today's vocabulary.
No test, no pressure. Just listening.
Perseverance. It means you keep going for a long time. Not fast, just again and again.
I'm tired today, but I'll still do 10 minutes. That's perseverance.
Resilience. It's when life hits you, but you stand up again.
Like a tree in the wind. It bends, but it doesn't break.
An obstacle is something in your way.
Working late is an obstacle for evening study.
A setback is when something pushes you backward after you tried.
Failing a test is a setback, not the end.
An uphill battle means something feels very hard.
Balancing work, family, and English can feel like an uphill battle.
Lose heart means you slowly lose hope.
It doesn't mean you're weak. It means you're tired.
Hit rock bottom. That's your lowest point.
No energy. No motivation.
Bounce back means you recover after a bad time.
She failed, but she bounced back with a new plan.
Push through means you keep going just a little longer.
I pushed through the last 10 minutes of study.
Stay the course means don't quit in the middle.
It's hard now, but stay the course.
On the right track means you're going in a good direction.
Even if you're slow, you're still moving forward.
And finally, a light at the end of the tunnel.
A small sign of hope after a dark time.
If you're still listening, you didn't give up today.
You chose to stay, to listen, to grow.
You're allowed to rest. You're allowed to change direction, but you don't have to throw your dream away.
Before you go, try this sentence.
One thing I don't want to give up on is because
Your grammar doesn't need to be perfect. Just be honest.
Thank you for spending this time with us on our channel.
Take one small step today.
And don't give up on yourself.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.